Hello friends, in today's video I'm going to be walking through how to create a logo on Wix. But before getting started this video, make sure to subscribe. How to 1 minute. So first of all, open a browser and type here wix.com/logo/maker and hit enter. And then you will jump into Wix Logo Maker website. Now click on Start Now and click on New Logo and create your logo yourself. So click on Create a Logo. Start designing your logo. Enter your name. Enter the logo name here and add a tagline. Let's go. What's your logo for? Give your industry or business name here. Next, how should your logo look and feel? Select niche from here. You can select multiple and click on next. Which of these logos do you like better? Select any of them, or you can click I don't like either of them. Then you will get some more example. So I'm going to selecting this one and this one, and here you will get some logos, or you can click on load more to view more logos. I'm going to selecting this one, so I'm clicking on customize, and now you can see the preview. And to customize the logo, simply select the text and you can change the text from this box, or you can change the align, and if you want to change the font opacity, you can change from here. You can change outline width, size, shadow, blur, and if you want to change the icon, go to icons tab, and from here you can upload the icon from your computer. And if you want to add shapes to your logo, click on add shape. You can select square shape or circle shape from here. And after customizing your logo, click on next and select this option, or you can click on this adjust needle logo. And now you have to choose your logo plan from this list. You can select advanced all logo files, and it takes $50 US dollars, and basic plans start from $20. And after that you will be able to download your logo. So this was how we can create a logo on Wix. If you have any questions, feel free to post in description. If you think to see more WordPress videos, please check the links in descriptions. If this video helped you, give a thumbs up and please consider subscribe. How to 1 minute. Thank you for watching.